Our wiring regulations course is aimed at everybody in the industry. You need to have a basic understanding of electrical circuits before you start the course, and we introduce you to the regulations that govern the installs of electrical circuits within the industry. We try to make the course as practical as possible. We do it as a group learning exercise, so everybody works together as a team, and we use mock exams and examples from the industry to actually help you go through the book to pass your exam. The exam is a 2-hour exam with 2 minutes per question and is an open book exam. The benefit from us is that you actually get your exam result on the same day. I recommend our wiring regulations course to anybody within the industry. It's a chance to actually make sure you're aware of the industry regulations for installs, and it's a requirement for Part P scheme provided.